another one of his Nunas.
Was that a deliberate 45-degree wheelie, Ali?
Oh, Al? Yep. I'll wake up. Are you with us? Yeah, I'm with you. Am I going left here, Grant? Yeah, you're going left here, mate. Well, I'm daydreamer. Don't go quiet, because we'll all shit ourselves and start pressing buttons. We're going to have to call ourselves Red Leader 1, 2, 3 and 4 so we know who's talking to who, don't we? Red Leader. Can I be Ghost Rider? Oh, that's cool as fuck, that is. Oh, we need call signs, so then we'll write them on our helmets. Maverick Goose. I thought yours was Galloping Maggot. that was your CB handle. I know, it was the CB handle, totally. That was... do you know what Linden's was? Linden's, yeah. I can't remember now. Long time ago. Thunder Chicken. Thunder Chicken. You got your revs up, Graham? Got my revs up. I'm running 30. I'm in third gear at 30. I'm still a naughty boy. Graham's bike's not broken, everyone. Yeah. They just told me I can't ride a motorcycle. Thanks for your support. What was here for you, mate?
What do they say? Nothing wrong with it. It's you.
They reset it all. They said it rides. They've done 20 miles. It rides how an Africa twin should ride. And I don't know whether that was a compliment or not.
Did they leave you a little note saying it's not me, it's you?
Yeah, no, they told me. Dear John. Brilliant. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Oh, I can do it. Sorted your tyres yet? No, we just get onto that this week. Nothing that bad, but we went through the test a month or so ago, so it shouldn't be that bad.
Have you remortgaged to get that back tyre? I said, have you remortgaged to get that enough money for that back tyre?
I know, I think they're about 300 quid, I think.
I know.
200 for the back, 100 for the front. So it's not too bad, but...
Yeah.
Oh, if it's out, you only get 4 or 5,000 miles, there's a lot of fucking money in it.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get one before Blackpool. It's not Blackpool. Blackpool, that is Blackpool, isn't it? Great valley view, this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful, yeah. Are you filming this, Adam?
Yeah, just tell me if you break.
Why?
Because I'm not looking at the road. No, I've got one eye on the road, one eye on the view.
I went out with a girl who had eyes like that, Adam. one eye on the chips, one eye on the change. I remember working with a bloke like that, we called him Isaiah. One eye looking at you, one eye looking for you. Yeah, one's Isaiah and the other. And he was also known as Homie Away. When we were on holiday in Spain once, this lad, Dutch lad, got out of the swimming pool with a big boner on in a pair of bloody hamster hammocks. Okay, for the rest of the holiday they called him Hodl. Was that road really bumpy just then? Really?
Oh, not particularly.
Worry?
You've got suspension issues now. I'd take it back to the garage.
Sorry, Graham, it's just the way you're riding. I'm trying to stay off the pavement.
Have you tried this cream, Preparation H?
Oh, mate, I've had to put a bit of cream up the old... Yeah, this morning. Oh, roasting. You know, I was going to ask for a go on your bike, but I will follow it. Sliding around on your ass cream. And then halfway along the bypass, Mark. Yeah. Left turn. I think it's got traffic lights into King Stanley. Yeah, but I won't know where halfway is until I've done the full length of it. I know, so you have to go there and back. Then you can play catch up. So you'll run out into the sticks, Mark. Yeah. And then you'll hit a cross crossroads, which is where the pub is, and we're going to turn left, and that's where we're going across the hill.
Okay.
I will say that it's pretty bendy, and then there's 3/4 up is a very tight one.
Right, no.
Just helping.
Yeah, well, that's good. That's good info.
The hill is to your left with the trees on it. We're literally running up the side of there in a second.
Okay.
Beauty.
So have any of you guys looked at routes once we get up to Knott Blackpool and seen how far it is to the Honister Pass? Because I think it's about 2 3/4 hours to get there.
Yeah, I'd say by the time we've done the lap for the day, it'd be a 200-mile day, which is the whole point of riding a bike up there, isn't it?
Yeah, so we would go up the Honister Pass.
Yeah, so my first choice was actually the Harnock Pass, which is a bit closer. But
we get them both in?
I'd like to. If everybody's happy riding, we can run up 2 plans.
Oh, yeah.
We'll discuss how your asses were after the first day. Because we'll be doing about 2:10 on the first day.
Well, I've got to be honest, Graham, you had to clean up to 10 miles.
Sorry?
You've had to clean up to 10 miles. We'll be stopping for me to have a piss and you to apply cream every 10 minutes.
You should get a Scott Oiler for his ass.
Oh, well, this one's all in the timing, wasn't it? But you're getting the view.
Yeah.
Makes you fucking pop a little bit on the old push bike up there.
Is that Bristol down that way?
No, we're in fair shape for that still. Dursley before that.
No, okay.
And that's what you'll be seeing down there is Dursley.
Big fuck off pheasant in the road there.
Not this one, I take it.
Yeah. I can't see it because you're so bright, but yes, that's it.
Yeah. Typical Cotswolds sign at an angle, dirty. Can't see it. Nice bend.
Yeah. Road's all clear.
For fuck's sake.
No, I think I just got a better view than you, Mark. I was on the Ducati, actually.
Still behind us?
No.
The green Ducati, that's a bit weird, isn't it?
Okay, it wasn't then. Thanks for that. I'm colourblind, you think you are.
I think it's a quacker.
And if you see a garage and you go there, do coffee, which there is one up there on the right, pull in, we'll have a coffee, mate.
Alright.
I wouldn't mind a slug or something.
Oh, wait
coming
for you,
up,
boys.
coming up, you're right.
You going right in a minute?
No, yeah.
What are you going to do?
You still going right, are you, Mark?
Oh.
Oh, we're not. Okay, that was embarrassing then.